Setting up a scissor lift in a workshop is often difficult and time-consuming. Engineers from Denmark came to the rescue with this system, which is simple to set up and very beneficial, according to the business. It's an innovative lift. It can lift up to about 7,700 pounds, and the distance between the legs is flexibly adjustable. The lift height is up to 6.4 feet, and the width is adjustable from 4.3 to 9.8 feet. Thanks to the quick release connection system, the lift is easy to set up and maintain, and is ready to handle cars and trucks, vans and SUVs. In any workshop, whether amateur or expert, storage becomes an issue eventually. This 2-in-1 storage system will assist to avoid clutter and to always understand where everything is. The primary feature of the system are these drawers, which can be utilized both as wall lockers and as carrying cases. With a load capability of about 22 pounds, the standard set includes a drawer, 2 dividers, and a rail. This model is extremely versatile. It's easy to customize for a particular workshop, and it will be of interest, not just for DIYers, but likewise to fishermen, campers, and hunters. Some people mount the system directly into their cars. The rate for a set begins at $140. Now let's discuss the tools from Rima Tip. This company is doing quite well, which is clear from its name. In 2020, it managed to reach sales of around $1 billion, and it's all thanks to their products for tire repair. The group's products consist of vulcanizing heat presses, balancing equipment, and a variety of compounds, tools, and repair patches, like the ones revealed on the screen. This patch lowers repair time by about 40%, needs no additional ventilation, and is suitable even for tires that have to work in extreme conditions. A special compound with high adhesion allows you to sand the tire, making it look brand new. Next is the winner of the prominent SEMA show. It's considered one of the secret events for producers of all kinds of automobile devices. The product we wish to reveal will come in handy for cleaning air ducts and drain holes. Professionals encourage you to clean them at least a couple of times a year, since all kinds of dirt gradually gets in there. Thanks to this tool, the cleansing process will be much faster and much easier. Basically, it's a versatile wire element with textile fibers complete with mounts for cordless drills and screwdrivers. The bundle weight of the package is about 15 ounces, and it's compact and very easy to use. Remarkably, they're asking $450 for it despite the fact that it doesn't include a screwdriver. Is it worth it? When done properly, wheel alignment does not only increase safe driving, but also decreases wear and tear on your tires. On your screen is a 3D wheel alignment stand that makes the work of a mechanic simpler. The main feature is the machine vision system, utilizing high-resolution video cameras. It creates a copy of the suspension on the computer, and then it compares its condition with a referral design for higher precision. Special targets are fixed on the wheels in order to make it much easier for the system to aim. A substantial benefit of these systems is that they can be utilized right after setup. No calibration is needed. They can be used in the repair shops with evaluation pits and elevators. The price is substantial though, starting at $15,000. What do you do when you need to remove multiple fasteners at the same time? In this case, multi-spindle attachments with an adapter for a variety of cordless tools can be useful. A big advantage is the ability to discover the perfect design template for each specific operation, such as drilling, countersinking, or tapping. The abundant selection of accessories shortens the work cycle, and since the spindles are powered by the same motor, they rotate at the very same speed, making sure the work is high quality. This tool will be of fantastic worth to experts who maintain and repair trucks and heavy equipment such as tractors and harvesters. It greatly streamlines wheel removal and mounting, permitting you to change the torque in between 450 and 650 Newton meters. The company is also going to make a 1000 Newton meter design upon request. The service is not only useful but safe, as you no longer have to struggle with long levers pressing them with your whole body and running the risk of injury. There's also a stimulant complementary model that has a copper impact head. It's likewise a lot more comfy in restricted spaces and enables even someone to do an excellent amount of work. Here's another tool with a similar function. It assists if a fastener is rusted or stuck. Just 15 seconds of induction and heating is enough to resolve the issue. In addition, the tool will likewise be useful for repair work. For example, it will straighten little dents in the body, help with heat shrinking parts, and heating for vinyl covering. The design of the gadget permits you to heat exactly the path of the piece without damaging the rest. In addition, the heating will go evenly throughout the whole circumference, so you don't need to constantly move the tool. There are several models with various outputs like 1 and 2 kilowatts. The price starts at $650. Next up is a trademarked tool that works with springs. The video tutorial is just 90 seconds long, and the design offers strength and security similar tools can only dream of. The description states, the tool weighs about 33 pounds and can hold up against a load of about 4,000 pounds. You'll need a vise for work. The included safety ropes will make it much safer. The spread of the design is up to 8 inches, and the price for it is $300. This system will be convenient for repairmen who work on car bodies and frames. The presented version has a lifting capacity of about 7,700 pounds and an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet. According to the description, it's a small variation built with high alloy steel tubing, utilizing European advanced technology. It's so hassle-free that the employee can manage the job alone, and the built-in casters like those in supermarket shopping carts assist it to move. And considering that there was 947 million passenger cars on the roads of the planet back in 2015, the owners of these systems will undoubtedly have a lot of work to do. It is 2022, and according to the timeline of the Terminator franchise, cyborg assassins will be here in a few years. In the meantime, let's have a look at this Terminator created to fix windshields. It will do all the work for you, the maker promises. Nevertheless, that's not totally true. You will still need some preparation. However, after that, all you need to do is set the program you need, and you can go about your merry way. This is the only service with this degree of automation on the market, according to the website. The repair work is done by vacuum and is useful for chips, cracks, and other flaws which trigger dirt and moisture to collect. However, you will need to spend lavishly, $2,700 on a full set. The quickest and most reliable way to set up versatile CV boots with diameters approximately 4.5 inches, says the maker. Any knowledgeable driver understands that the CV joint or continuous velocity joint works under heavy load, and a torn or used boot will dramatically lower the joint's lifespan. The tool on the screen works with compressed air, making it easier to change the boot. The video tutorial is only 5 minutes long, and the style is so successful that the manufacturer advises the design for professional workshops also. Bear in mind that it needs a versatile CV boot because regular ones are frequently too hard for this kind of setup. Users clarify in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the video and want to see more like it. Next is a joint play tester that's used to evaluate steering of a vehicle and can find axle problems. It does not require power, compressed air, or anything else. It's compact and suitable for cars weighing as much as 7,700 pounds. The system allows you to quickly mimic a range of road situations, such as cornering on both axles, see a clear outcome, and right away show it to the customer. At the exact same time, discuss what needs to be fixed. The system was created by a master mechanic, and its total weight is about 141 pounds. The price is $1,667.